This is Mr. Bringle's character profile. You will get one of these on almost every one of the suspects that we have. So make sure as you read, it's really important that you highlight the sentences or the phrases that you want to use against this staff member. So anything that could make you believe that Mr. Bringle did it. So the background information for Mr. Bringle is that you are best friends with the victim. Not only that, but you guys are related. You are Henry's nephew. Even though there's a little bit of an age difference, you and Henry have always been close. You fight sometimes, but it is almost like a sibling rivalry. At the end of the day, you just want what is best for each other. Recently, though, you have heard rumors that your uncle is hanging out with some not so great people. When you first heard about it, you did not believe it at all, so you decided to forget about it. However, the more that the rumors continue, the more bothered by them you become. It has created tension between you and Henry. You have asked him about it, but he always makes up excuses. So knowing that some of those not so great people might be at the party made you a little worried. Your alibi. You were on the phone in the living room when Henry's body was found. No one knew that you were at the party yet. You claim that you have been on the phone since you got there 10 minutes prior, and that is why you have not been able to say hello to anyone that was at the party. You were standing by Henry's body when Mrs. Webster and Miss Michalewski found you. No one believed that you would hurt him, but it looks very suspicious that no one knew you were there, and you were the first to find the victim. Why didn't you see him fall if you were so close to where he landed? Better yet, why didn't you see who pushed him? Is it because you did it? Other information. Also, when they took Henry to the hospital, they asked if you wanted to go, but you said no. The group members find this to be weird because you are, after all, family. Now that you know Mr. Bringle's character information or his suspect information, make sure you fill out this table and make sure you write incomplete sentences. So you need to go ahead and write a race paragraph arguing if you think he's guilty, why or why not, following these prompts. A big part of this is where you guys will collect reasons why you find him guilty. So list those here. The other part of this is where you will copy and paste sentences from the mystery log to make sure that you guys are able to use them later. So this could be against Mr. Bringle, this could be against other characters or other suspects. It really is basically you condensing the information that you found above so that you have it later so you don't have to go back and reread the whole mystery log.